work we do as a custom injection molder at Texas Injection Molding is very complex. We manufacture several million parts a month on 34 different machines, making over 450 unique parts. We use more than 120 different materials, dozens of colors, and combine injection molding with secondary operations such as printing, machining, welding, assembly, and custom packing. We have over 175 employees and run the operations around the clock. People, molds, material, and machines all have to come together in near perfect timing to keep production flowing. So planning and communication are at the heart of everything we do. We use a sophisticated ERP system to maintain our bills of manufacturing, our purchasing of materials, and our scheduling of machines. Throughout any given day, we are called to respond to changes in our plan. Timely and accurate communication is critical to keep all the machines running. Each morning and between every shift, we get our teams together to communicate and plan the people and resources for the next shift. Every day is different as we are making more than 30 different parts every day. The products we manufacture are valuable components that are critical to our customers' business and manufactured products. The complexity and speed at which we work is not easy, but it is rewarding to work with great people, to solve daily challenges, and to see the parts we manufacture used in so many places.